Welcome to Almel Learning. As we have seen a previous video about what are the free tools which is available in Google to market your business. So today we're going to talk about how we can create a Google My Business profile. Right? We're going to see that a small introduction video about how these things would work and what are the certain options that you need to work when you want to create a Google My Business page for your company. So as I told you, Google My Business is a free application. Any small entrepreneurs, anybody who have an active business can start a Google My Business account. And for that, you have certain predefined conditions where the first thing is basic thing is you need to have a Google account. So once that Google account is there, then only you can be able to do this, right? So let us start with working on this, how we can do that basically. So we're going to start with that. So first in Google, you just have to type Google My Business. So once you start Google My Business, you will get this page where this has the overview about it. It will just show you how get customers with a great business profile, and this is how your profile will look. Probably when people are searching in the images, and you get a predefined name for your company, and it also gives customers more way to reach you because there is a default call button which is added, and you can also have messaging features. You can also have a virtual tour which can be done, and you can also see how customers are connecting with you, which means how many people have searched, how many in searches, what are the common searches that is available, and how you can do that. You can see that as well, and you can also see in what are the ways and means and how people are getting connected with you, right? So like this, there are a lot of add-on advantages with this for Google My Business. Now let us dive in deeper on how we can create a Google My Business page. So the first thing is you just need to give a sign up. So you just have to give your email ID. So if you have enabled your two-step verification, you need to get this as well. So the first thing is initially you need to have a sign-in feature where you want to work on that. So once you just log into your email account, it will ask you certain questions where it's just going to ask your basic business name. It will ask your business name and what is the nature of business. And once you give all that, this is how the dashboard will look in, right? So you just come into that and you have various options where you just get your business name and what is the address that you have registered, and it'll ask you one of the very important things is it asks you for verification, right? So there is a verification which is required to have the full access towards your website, right? So to your business. So usually once you give the verification, usually you will get a postcard which gives you the verification code, and once you enter the verification code, your business will be verified automatically, and then you have full access towards it. Now what all you can do is basically you can post certain things, right? You can start creating a post in Google, you can do that, and you can update your info page, basically where all is your info, what are the address and locations that you have. You can still do that as well, and you also have another option which is insights, and once you have verified, you will get a lot of insights on this where you will just see what are the different customers pages and how many searches have happened, and all the other different kinds of data, user data will be displayed in this column. And you can manage reviews here where you can start verifying the reviews basically on that. You can still do that where whenever a customer is giving a review to your product, you can have a natural way of responding back to him and getting the update from that. So that is also something that you can work upon, and you can also have inbuilt website also here which you can create, which is a Google owned website. If you want a one page site can also be created, which is an integrated of Google product again. So that is also something that you can work upon. And you can also create advertisements here because as I told you, we have a Google AdWord tool, which is also available. So that is also highly possible. And you can also have your own G Suite account. Probably we're going to see G Suite in the coming videos, where it's like a Google owned domain where Google is going to manage your complete domain. So that is also which you can work upon. So like this, when you have Google My Business, there are a lot of features that you can have, and you have a complete ownership towards your business. So we're going to see there are a lot of different techniques on Google My Business. We're going to see that in the coming sessions. And thanks for watching this video. And stay connected for the next video and Almel Learning.